I love being up here early in the morning. It's both mysterious and peaceful. This year I missed the wildflower blooms during summer, and I really didn't want to miss the end of autumn, before the snow arrives, and after the tourists have gone. I enjoy witnessing this place prepare for its winter hibernation. There's something magical about walking among the fast-moving fog. It feels like I'm walking in a dream. I appreciate the feeling of being up here, watching the clouds drift by. I am blanketed in a serene hush as dawn breaks over Mount Rainier. The air is crisp and cool, filled with the scent of pine and damp earth. The mist still drifts lazily around. The quiet stillness is almost sacred, broken only by the distant call of a bird or the gentle rustle of the wind through the branches. Up here, time doesn't exist. I'm now above the tree line and working my way above the clouds. It's crazy to think that you can just drive up here and then hike to the top of an active volcano. That's pretty awesome. And now I get to witness something I've never actually seen in person. A fogbow. Like a rainbow, but with fog. However, I prefer the more fun name of ghost rainbow. Nature's beauty is sometimes simple, but can always leave me in awe. It truly is amazing. It's not a trip to Mount Rainier without checking in on my furry and feathery friends. The marmots, grouse, and chipmunks are all getting in their final meals before the snow comes in. I enjoy spending time watching them go about their day.
Oh, wow, he's posing.
I'm on the home stretch, the sun is shining, and the fall colors saturate the landscape. The autumn hues paint an impressive tapestry against the backdrop of a clear blue sky. Hey, thanks for coming along with me. I hope you had as good of a time as I did. I'll see you on the next adventure.